I vowed that I would never do another colored contact lens review ever again. But here we are. My name is Sylvie. I'm a freelance makeup artist and I used to have an obsession with colored contact lenses. I used to wear them all the time years ago. But in these past years, I've had so much issues with my eyes being sensitive that I kind of just gave up on colored contacts. No matter how beautiful or comfortable they felt, even in the first couple days, my eyes would always end up getting irritated. And this is not just from colored contacts, it's from even clear prescription contacts. I've only been wearing one brand of clear contacts for these past 5 years because they're the only ones that I can handle. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I've done reviews on a couple other contact lens brands and I loved how they looked and how realistic they looked. My eyes would just start to get irritated the more I wore them over time. I've had many other brands reach out to me since then and I declined. I could not handle the irritation in my eyes. I just didn't want to review any more colored contacts if I knew that I wouldn't be able to wear these lenses regularly. The Lord had other plans for me because I received this fantastic little package from Desio lenses. Tiny story in regards to this, I used to watch the beauty YouTuber Sandra Deluxe all the time, and she would wear, and to this day I think she still wears, the most amazing, beautiful, natural looking colored contact lenses I'd ever seen, and they were from the brand Desio. I looked them up and they turned out to be this amazing Italian luxury contact lens brand, and at the time I had a budget and I just could not afford it. I've always wanted to try Desio's colored contacts. This is a pinch me moment. It is a dream. And so I'm breaking my vow and I'm gonna try out their brand today. I wanna give you a few important notes about the brand Desio. They were founded through an Italian company. They're a group of professionals who've been operating in the industry for 30 years. The one problem that I've had with other contact lens brands and cosmetic colored contacts, and my optometrist let me in on this bit of information, is that these brands and companies are highly unregulated, so you never know how they're going to affect your eyes. That's another reason why I stopped wearing them. I just did not want to damage my eyes any further. Desio claims to be different in that they have worked with industry professionals, optometrists, ophthalmologists. They have heavy research behind them. They are designed to feel very comfortable and feel like you're wearing regular prescription lenses, and they're designed to also be suitable for people with different eye problems like astigmatism. I don't want to give you a whole essay about them. I want you guys to see the colored contacts. I will link them down below in the description box so you can go check it out and learn a bit more about them. I am actually really impressed by their brand and their professionalism. I'm really excited to try these. I have not tried them yet, so let's go ahead and do that. But one more thing before you do, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next videos go up. So I want to give you guys a look into this packaging. Isn't that just stunning? Like, that screams luxury. So I open it up, they've sent me this booklet. It's just got all the different colored contacts in here and I believe more in-depth information. They have the daily, monthly, and quarterly lenses. They sent me 3 different colors, and these boxes at the bottom actually have the contact lens cases. So let's go try them out. I believe all the ones that I got were the quarterly ones, but I will update that in the description box below. I do have different prescription in each eye, so if that is the case with you, then you're gonna need 2 separate boxes for each prescription. First color I'm trying out is the wild green. Just getting into it right here. I've just placed them in a little bit of contact lens solution here. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge because I do have smaller eyes and irises than is the standard size, so these sizes are bigger than what I normally wear. So we'll see how that feels and fits in my eyes. So here is wild green. I will say, compared to other colored contact lenses, when I put these on, I expected to definitely be able to feel their texture because the pigments make them thicker, but they actually went on really comfortably. Like, I felt a little bit at first, but I don't feel anything at all, which is a good sign, so I will keep my fingers crossed. So here is wild green compared to my natural dark brown eye color. It is quite striking. I don't feel like they fit awkwardly. The color is stunning. I prefer a more natural eye color. I don't like anything that's too striking and too piercing looking. I like it to look like it could be my natural eyes. Okay, I won't say too much. Let's just try on the other side first. So that's both of them on. They are quite striking. Now, most color contacts, because they tend to be a bigger size than my eyes, will sit a little bit differently on my eyes. The thing that's nice about these is that they're not shifting off of my irises, which are wonderful. But yeah, they are quite stunning. They're a natural eye color. Now, they're a natural eye color, but they don't look natural on me. I believe everybody, depending on your skin tone or your hair color, you're gonna have certain shades that work better for you and look more natural on you. If you prefer the more piercing, striking look, these are definitely the ones for you. Regardless, they're stunning, but they wouldn't be my first choice for my complexion and my look. However, I am really impressed by the level of detail in these. Yeah, they're really pretty. Let's try the next ones. Here is the next shade. This one is called Rebel Gray. This one looks like it's a similar style to the Wild Green, but it's a more like gray blue. There's a comparison with my natural eye color. The coverage is really beautiful. It stays really true to color. This one's actually really beautiful. It's not too blue or too fake looking. It's a really nice and natural soft color. For my preference, it is still a little too striking in the sense that I still like a shade that is gonna match in with my complexion better. I'm super picky in particular. I think most people are gonna love this. Again, they feel so comfortable in the eyes. I did not feel them settling in at all. They feel as comfortable as my regular contact lenses and are not giving me any irritation at all. I saved the best one for last. It's the one that I've been dying to try for all these years. This is the shade Delicious Honey. Here is the coverage in comparison to my natural eye. This is literally everything that I imagined that it would be. This is the perfect like hazily olive shade that I feel like suits my complexion so well and looks natural and blends in, and I think you guys will be able to tell as well compared to the other two shades, which were still really beautiful, that this one just fits my complexion so much better. Honestly, if I could choose any eye color to have naturally, these would be it. Again, they feel really comfortable. I don't feel them in my eyes at all. I'm gonna have a really hard time not wearing these more regularly. I mean, just look at the detail. It's insane. It's so beautiful and natural. I'm gonna say beautiful and natural a million times. I think I'll go ahead and keep these on all day. See what my husband says about them. I don't have anything more to say about these except that this was such a pleasure and a dream to be able to do this review for you guys and this collaboration with Desio. So thank you, Desio, for sending me these lenses and to be able to finally get to try your amazing colors. Desio has given me a discount code to share with you guys, so I will link that down below. If you've been looking for the most realistic contact lenses of your life, go follow that link down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.